First on our list is the quaint town of Salema, Portugal. Nestled in the Algarve region, Salema offers a charming blend of traditional fishing village charm and stunning natural beauty. With its golden sandy beaches and crystal-clear waters, it's a slice of paradise waiting to be discovered. Next, we venture to the other side of the world, to Tofino, Canada. Don't let its chilly location fool you. Tofino's wild, untamed beauty is breathtaking. Its rugged coastline and lush rainforest make it a haven for adventure seekers and nature lovers alike. Then, we journey to the heart of the Indian Ocean to the tranquil town of Marissa, Sri Lanka. Known for its serene beaches and spectacular sunsets, Marissa offers a peaceful retreat from the hustle and bustle of modern life. Our next stop is the picturesque town of Esperance, Australia. Renowned for its turquoise waters and white sandy beaches, Esperance is a haven for wildlife. Dolphins, kangaroos, and a myriad of bird species call this place home. We then set sail for the vibrant town of Sayulita, Mexico. A surfer's paradise, Sayulita is known for its excellent waves, colorful buildings, and lively street markets. It's a place that's bursting with life and energy. Next, we head to the Mediterranean, to the charming town of Kos, Turkey. Nestled between mountains and sea, Kos offers a wonderful mix of natural beauty, ancient history, and warm Turkish hospitality. Our seventh destination is the quiet town of Pemba, Mozambique. With its untouched coral reefs and abundant marine life, Pemba is a diver's paradise. It's a place that's as rich under the water as it is on land. Our next stop is the tranquil town of Salinas Grandes, Argentina. Known for its vast salt flats and serene beaches, Salinas Grande offers a unique, otherworldly landscape that's truly breathtaking. Next, we journey to the heart of the Caribbean, to the charming town of Bequia, St. Vincent, and the Grenadines. With its white sandy beaches, clear blue waters, and laid-back vibe, Bequia is the perfect place to relax and unwind. And finally, we venture to the edge of the Arctic Circle, to the town of Lofoten, Norway. Known for its dramatic landscapes and natural beauty, Lofoten offers an unforgettable experience with its stunning fjords, vibrant wildlife, and the mesmerizing northern lights. So, there you have it, 10 undiscovered beach towns that are waiting to be explored. From the tranquil beaches of Salinas Grandes in Argentina to the vibrant streets of Sayulita in Mexico, from the serene waters of Marissa in Sri Lanka to the dramatic landscapes of Lofoten in Norway, each of these towns offers a unique experience, a chance to step off the beaten path and discover a different side of the world. So why wait? Start planning your next adventure today. The world is full of hidden gems waiting to be discovered.
Ever wanted to escape the hustle and bustle and find a serene beach town? The kind of place where the pace is slow, the sunsets are breathtaking, and the sound of the waves is the only nighttime lullaby you need. Imagine walking barefoot down a quiet sandy beach, the ocean breeze gently tousling your hair, and the salty air filling your lungs. This is the reality in some of the world's most serene beach towns. Let's start with the quaint town of Tofino, located on Vancouver Island in British Columbia, Canada. Tofino is a hidden gem that's known for its stunning natural beauty. The town offers a unique blend of rainforests, mountains, and pristine beaches, making it a paradise for nature lovers. Moving on to the Algarve in Portugal, a region rich in history, culture, and breathtaking coastlines. The Algarve's beach towns are famous for their golden sandy beaches, clear turquoise waters, and charming whitewashed houses. Next, we venture to the land down under to visit Byron Bay, Australia. Known for its laid-back lifestyle, this coastal town offers a perfect mix of stunning beaches, vibrant art scene, and delicious local cuisine. Heading over to Africa, we find Tofo, Mozambique. Known for its pristine beaches and abundant marine life, Tofo offers a unique African beach experience. Here, you can enjoy everything from diving with manta rays to exploring local markets. We then travel to the Caribbean and discover the charming town of Placencia, Belize. With its sandy streets, colorful houses, and friendly locales, Placencia is a picture-perfect Caribbean paradise. Next on our list is the tranquil town of Sayulita, Mexico. With its stunning beaches, vibrant art scene, and relaxed vibe, Sayulita is a haven for those seeking a laid-back beach lifestyle. Venturing to Asia, we find the picturesque town of Hoi An, Vietnam. Known for its well-preserved ancient town and beautiful beaches, Hoi An offers a unique blend of history and natural beauty. In Europe, we discover the charming town of Essaouira, Morocco. With its beautiful beaches, fortified walls, and bustling Medina, Essaouira offers a unique blend of beach relaxation and cultural exploration. Finally, we journey to the Pacific to visit the tranquil town of Hanalei, Hawaii. Nestled in the heart of Kauai's North Shore, Hanalei is known for its stunning beaches, lush mountains, and laid-back island lifestyle. So whether it's the breathtaking natural beauty of Tofino, the rich culture of the Algarve, the laid-back lifestyle of Byron Bay, the unique African beach experience in Tofo, the Caribbean charm of Placencia, the relaxed vibe of Sayulita, the historical beauty of Hoi An, the cultural richness of Essaouira, or the island paradise of Hanalei, these serene beach towns offer something for everyone. Each town has its own unique features that make it a must-visit destination. From the tranquil beaches, vibrant art scenes, delicious local cuisines, unique cultural experiences, abundant marine life, and stunning natural beauty, these serene beach towns are truly hidden gems waiting to be discovered. So pack your bags, leave your worries behind, and get ready to discover the serene beach towns you've never heard of. Who knows, you might just find your new favorite getaway spot.